Let us start logarithm for class 9 ICC board. Okay, we are taking question number 22 from ML Agarwal book, exercise 9.2. Solve the following equation. Question given: log 2x plus 3 equal to log 7. Now, taking until of both sides, this will be 2x plus 3 is equal to 7. Then 2x will be how much? 7 minus 3, that is equal to 4. Then x equal to how much? X equal to 2. This is the answer of number 1. Number 22, first part. Let us go second part. See, question number 22, second part. Question given: log x plus 1 plus log x minus 1 equal to log 24. This is plus sign given. Which formula we have to apply here? That means x plus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to how much? Log 24. Now this is coming log x square minus 1 equal to log 24. Now comparing both sides, x square minus 1 is equal to 24. Therefore x square will be how much? This minus 1 will go that side, this will be 25. Therefore x will be 25 square root, means this is equal to 5. This is the answer of x. Okay. This is the second part I have done. Which formula applied here? Write the formula here. Since log m plus log n is equal to log m into n. This is called product rule. This one is product rule. Okay, product rule. This is plus sign given, therefore this is multiplied. Okay, let us go to third part. See the question number third. Log 10x plus 5 minus log x minus 4 equal to 2. Minus sign given here, that means this will be divided 10x plus 5 by x minus 4. Now, can you tell 2 is equal to how much? 2 means log 100. 2 means log 100. Okay. Log 100 means 10 whole square. Right here, since log 100 means log 10 whole square, which is equal to 2 log 10. 2 log 10, that is nothing but 2 into 1. 2 into 1, this is equal to 2. That I have written here. Now comparing both sides, 10x plus 5 by x minus 4 is equal to 100. Cross multiply, 10x plus 5 is equal to 100x minus 400. Now this 400 bring this side, this will be plus 400 plus 5, 100x minus 10x. Now this will be 405, this is 100x minus 10x, 90x. Therefore finally x is equal to how much? 405 by 90. Okay. Now it will be how much? It will go by 9 divided 9 10 ja 9 4 ja 36, 9 5 ja 45. Okay, this is coming 45 by 10. Again it will go by 5, 5 9, 5 2, 9 by 2. Okay. See the answer, x is equal to 9 by 2 or 4.5. This is the answer of number third part. Let us go number fourth part. See the question number fourth part of number 22. I am doing the exercise logarithm of class 9 ICC board, ML Agarwal book 9.2 exercise. Okay. 22 number fourth part. The question given: log 5 base 10 plus log 5x plus 1 base 10 is equal to log x plus 5 base 10 plus 1. Now we see how to take this one. See this side plus side given, that need to multiply 5 whole into 5x plus 1 base 10. This side is what? Log x plus 5 base 10. This 1 means what? I have write here, the 1 means log 10 base 10. log 10 base 10 is equal to 1. Instead of 1, I have to write here log 10 base 10. Now, this will be 25. Let's keep it like this, 5 whole into 5x plus 1 and base 10 is equal to, this will be multiplied, plus sign given, means 10 whole into x plus 5 base 10. Now comparing both sides, this will be 5 whole into 5x plus 1 is equal to 10 whole into x plus 5. Now divide 5 this side, this will be 5x plus 1 is equal to 2 whole into x plus 5. Now this will be 2x, bring this side, 5x minus 2x is equal to 10 minus 1. How much you are getting? 3x is equal to 9, therefore x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. This is the answer of number 4th part, okay? Let us go number 5th part. See the 5th part I am taking from number 22. Log 4y minus 3 is equal to log 2y plus 1 minus log 3. See, this is log 4y minus 3 is equal to, this is minus sign means you have to divide log 2y plus 1 by 3. Not taking anti-log both sides, this will be what? 4y minus 3 is equal to 2y plus 1 by 3. This 3 you have to multiply this side. This will be 12y minus 9 is equal to 2y plus 1. Now 12y, this 2y bring this side, minus 2y, 9 will go that side, 9 plus 1, 9 plus 1. This side coming 12y minus 2y, that is 10y. 10y is equal to 9 plus 1, 10. Therefore y is equal to how much? 10 by 10. 10 by 10 is what? 1. This is the answer of number 5th. Just to see the question I am doing here. This side is minus sign given. This will be divided 2y plus 1 by 3 by the property of logarithm. Now taking anti-log both sides, 4y minus 3 is equal to 2y plus 1 by 3. Now 3 is multiplied. 3 4 is 12y, 3 3 is 9, 2y plus 1. All the y bring left hand side. This minus 9 will go that side, plus 9, 9 plus 1, 10. 12y minus 2y, that is 10y. 10y is equal to 10. Y equal to how much? 10 by 10, that is 1. Let us go next number. See the question number 6th part I am doing. Question given log x plus 2 base 10. Log x minus 2 base 10. Log 3 base 10. Plus sign given. 3 log 4 base 10. Okay. Now, this is plus sign given, you have to multiply log x plus 2 into x minus 2. Okay. Just give bracket here. Base is how much? 10. Here log, here 3 will be power, means 3 into 4 cube base 10. Why? Because this plus sign given. Plus means you have to multiply. Multiplication. This 3 will be power 4 cube. Now taking anti-log both sides, this will be how much? X square minus 4 a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. This side is what? 3 into 4 cubes are how much? 4 into 4 into 4, 64. Now x square is equal to, this 4 you have to the other side. 64 into 3 how much? 192. This 4 will be plus 4. How much you are getting? X square is equal to 196. Therefore x is equal to how much? 196 square root. 196 square root equal to how much? 14. 196 root over is 14. So this is the answer of x. Okay. This is the way of solving of logarithm chapter number 6 what I have done. The plus sign given means you have to multiply. Here also plus sign means you have to multiply 3 into, this will be power. Which formula I applied here? Since n log m. This will be log m to the power n. M to the power n. I applied here. Okay. Let us go next one. See the 7th part question given log 3x plus 2 plus sign given log 3x minus 2 is equal to 5 log 2. See here. Give implied sign. This is equation. As its plus sign given means you have to multiply cx plus 2 whole into cx minus 2. Okay, just keep bracket here. Now this will be what? Log 2 to the power 5. Because this is the coefficient, this will be power 2 to the power 5. Taking antilog both sides, a plus b into a minus b. Formula is what? A square minus b square. And this will be what? 2 to the power 5 means what? 2 to the power 5 means 2 is multiplied 5 times. This will be 32. This side coming 9x square. This will be minus 4. Take that side. 32 plus 4. 9x square equal to how much? 36. That means x square equal to how much? 36 by 9, that is 4. Therefore x is equal to square root of 4. You have to take plus value. X is equal to 2. This is the answer of number 7 part. Let us go next number. Last number I will do. See the question, the 8th part I am doing. Log x plus log 5 is equal to 2 log 3. Okay. Now you tell me from here, log x into 5, that means this is 5x. This will be what? Log 3 whole square. Taking antilog both sides. That means 5x is equal to how much? 3 whole square is what? 9. Now x is equal to how much? 9 by 5. This is the answer of number 8th part of 22. Okay. Let us go next number. Hello students, just to see 9th part of the question given log 8 by log 2 into log 3 by log root 3 equal to 2 log 8. You have to solve for x. You have to find out the value of x. Just to see how I am doing here. If implication here, 8 means what? 2 cube by log 2 into this is log 3. This will be what? Log 3 to the power how much? 1 by 2. Because root over means power 1 by 2. And this side will be log x square. Okay? X square. Now this will be 3 log 2. 3 log 2 and log 3. 3 log 2 by log 2. Into this is log 3. This half will be outside log 3 is equal to log x square. Now this log 2 cancel out. Log 3 cancel out. This 2 will go up. This will finally you are getting what? 6. 6 is equal to, okay, write here 2 log x. Okay. Keep it like that only. You don't write here square. Keep it like this. Keep it like this. This will be 2 log x. Because this will cancel out. 2 will be 2 3 here. 3 is equal to log x. Now, see here log x equal to 3. Means here base not given means here base is 10. Therefore x will be how much? 10 cube. If base not given, logarithm base not given, here base you have to take as 10. Means 10 to the power 3x is equal to 10 to the power 3. That means what? X equal to 10 cube means what? 1000. Okay. Already I have completed 9 sum today. I am doing the last part. Okay. Today will be this one. See the question given. And this is the last part I am doing. Log x base 3 minus log 2 base 3. Here base are same. But here minus sign given. And equal to 1 given. Just to see. As it is minus sign given, you have to write what? X by 2. Log x by 2 base 3. And here 1 means I have to write here log 3 base 3. If both are same, log 3 base 3 is 1. Okay, because we need base 3. Therefore I am writing a log 3 base 3. Now comparing both sides but taking antilog, both sides x by 2 is equal to 3. Therefore x is equal to how much? 2 3 is 6. This is the answer of last part, that is 10th part. Today I have completed already 10 sum from logarithm of class 9 book. ML overall exercise 9.2. I hope you are able to understand the process of solving logarithm. Today this much. Next we will continue the next round. Thank you.